The aim of this video is to demonstrate how to correctly check the tension of the chain. We measure from the bottom of the swing arm to the centre of the tensioner. Now that distance on the 24 should be 66 millimetres, give or take 2 millimetres. So we can use our little tool that we have. So I can see that's currently at 50 millimetres, so it's too loose. So to do that, we need to loosen off the rear axle and then make the adjustments. So once the axle is loose, I can then use the tool provided to then make the adjustments. You need to adjust on both sides of the swing arm and to make it easier for yourself to make sure you have this in line. There are markings on the actual swing arm itself and the axle sliders. So I'll just do a couple of turns on one side. So I'll move it to the third line on that side. Come around here and make sure that's even. Okay, now I've made those adjustments, I'll come back round and using the measuring tool again, I shall see what that distance is. And looking there, the centre, that is 66 millimetres, so that is bang on spec. We'll now retighten up the axle to the correct torque. Okay, that's it. So that's how you correctly check the chain tension. So demonstrating how we adjust it and then nipping everything all back up. You're good to go.